If you use ElevenLabs and want the interface to automatically match your device's settings, changing the theme to system is a quick and useful fix. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change the theme to system based in ElevenLabs in just a few seconds. This is a simple setting, but it can make the platform feel a lot more comfortable to use, especially if you switch between light mode and dark mode on your computer. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to ElevenLabs and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click that profile icon to open the account menu. After the menu opens, look for the theme option. Depending on your current setup, you may need to hover over theme to reveal the available choices. When you do that, you should see different theme options appear. Now all you need to do is click System. This tells ElevenLabs to follow your device's system theme automatically. So if your computer is set to dark mode, ElevenLabs will use dark mode too. If your system switches to light mode, the platform will follow that setting as well. And that's it. You've successfully changed the theme in ElevenLabs to system-based. It's a small adjustment, but it can make a big difference in your workflow and overall user experience. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.